Matric paper 1, we are looking at how to write the summary. So please make sure that you have this particular exam paper available so that you can do the exercises. So what are the main points to remember when writing a summary? The very first thing is to read the question and highlight what they're asking you to summarize. Do not go straight into summarizing the article before you've actually read the question and found those question keywords. So you need to focus on what the question is asking. Highlight the keywords, write them down, but definitely don't go straight into that summary without knowing what they want you to summarize. Your second step is to read the article and just try to understand it, understand what is being said. Then you read the article again and you highlight the main points according to your question keywords. Very, very important to always stick with those keywords in your question. Point number 4, you only do if you are a fast writer. Otherwise, you can skip this point. But if you are very quick, you can just quickly jot down those 7 points that you found. It's always going to be 7 points. And then you write the key points into a paragraph in your own words. Using your own words is going to get you a much higher mark than if you don't use your own words. Okay, because you will be marked down if you take quotations directly from the passage. Then at the end of your summary, you provide a word count. Okay, so I want you to now pause the video and sit and do the summary in your question paper following the steps that I've just given you. All right, we're going to go and look at the memo. If you see on the left are the quotations and on the right are the points written into your own words. And once again, to stress the importance of writing in your own words. There's point 4 and point 5. And then this memo gives 9 points. If you want to, when you do your practice, if you are practicing summaries, you can draw yourself this table and practice through the table. But rather don't do this in an exam, because you will probably run out of time or you will waste time and not finish other sections of the paper. Remember, your summary is where you can really score a good mark. All right, so this is the summary written into a paragraph. All right, they've got the 7 points written in paragraph format. And finally, if you look at how the summary is marked, when you are quoting verbatim, then it shows you what you will get for language. Okay, so sometimes if you got 7 points correct and you have quoted verbatim, you might not get any language marks. Okay, so quoted verbatim means you have lifted sentences directly from the passage. Okay, so it's once again, it's just keeping it all in your own words. You will score a much higher mark.